Hello everyone, I'm a student in class V26 of CKHS. Today I will introduce the puzzle of the periodic table. Let's begin. Long time ago, people want to know what makes up the world around them. It's just that they don't know that the information they need is hidden under their noses. The discovery of this element changed our lives and created the greatest gift to science, periodic table. So where can we find this element and how to arrange them? First, ancient civilization knew that there were many elements around them, but they don't think these elements are the ingredients that make up the universe, like gold, silver, and coppers are easily recognized by ancient civilization and used it for multiple purposes like jewelry or tools. While these elements are easy to find, think of the periodic table as a puzzle. The corner is the edge of the puzzle. Usually because of their smooth edges make them the easiest to find. And obviously it won't work with other puzzle pieces. Like puzzle pieces, who the element interact with is very picky. Some like to react with other elements. Some don't like it. Those who don't like to interact with other elements are easy to find, like gold, silver, and coppers. In the 17th century, Henning Brand wanted to extract gold from urine. He thinks that because the urine is golden, there may be gold in it. He collected a lot of urine and heat it. He collected a amount of pans and heat it to a very high temperature. At last there was smoke and the substance burned very violently. Brand decomposes phosphorus without knowing it. This is the first time someone has discovered the element, but he really doesn't know what he did. At that time, the quaternism of ancient Greece was still the mainstream, until Lavoisier, the father of chemistry, defined an element as a substance that cannot be decomposed by the established method. He created a list of known elements at that time and tried to get these elements out of certain sequence. These elements can be roughly divided into gases or metals. He is the first person to try to put this puzzle together. Of course, this is just the beginning. Later, other scientists also want to make this puzzle more clear. One of them is John Dalton. He weighs the element and arranged the puzzle by weight. The German chemist Berana paired the elements, see if they can react to each other. He discovered that the properties and reactions of certain elements are very similar. For example, lithium, sodium, and potassium. When they hit water, they react very violently and will slide on the water's surface and produce spark. Scientists have learned that these similarities are not accidental. They think the elements are family, and the same family will have similar properties. The chemist who finally completed this puzzle was Mendeleev. He creates a card for each element and tries to arrange it based on atomic weight and their known information. It is said that he couldn't sleep after thinking about it for 3 days and 3 nights. Finally, he fell asleep. Then he dreams of a table of arranging elements. Mendeleev not only created the periodic table, so predicted some elements that were not yet discovered at the time. This is how the periodic table puzzle can be complete. My report is over here. Thank you all.